Good morning, students. Now, today we are going to start the revision of chapter number 13, surface area and volume. The first question is that a solid cylinder of diameter 12 cm and height 15 cm is melted and cast into 12 toys in the shape of right circular cone mounted on a hemisphere. Find the radius and total height of the toy if the height of cone is 3 times the radius. This is a cylinder whose diameter is 12 and height is 15. It change into a solid toy in the form of cone mounted on hemisphere, and this cylinder change this into toy, that 12 toys are formed. Find it the radius and total height of the toy if height of the cone is 3 times the radius. Let radius of cone is r, height of cone of 3r, volume of cylinder is equal to 12 into volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h, 12 radius of hemisphere 2 upon 3 pi r cube, and volume of cone, that is h1, 1 upon 3 pi r1 r square h1. So pi r square h is equal to 12, taking 1 upon 3 pi common, and also r square is common. You can take this is also r1, r1 square is common, 2r1 plus h1, 3 4 are 12, pi and pi cancel. Radius of cylinder is 6 into 6, height is 15. Height is 15. Here r1 square and 4r1 square, 2r1, height is 3 times of the radius, that is 3r1. So 6 into 5 into 6 into 6 into 15 is equal to 4r1 square into 5r1. Therefore, r1 cube is equal to 6 into 6 into 15 upon 4 into 5. So 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 3 ja, 3 5 ja. Therefore, r1 is 3 centimeter. 5 3 ja 15. So r1 cube is equal to 3 cube. r1 is equal to 3 centimeter. And total height. So height of cone is 3r1. So 3 into 3, that is 9. Total height centimeter. See the second question. A tent in the form of cylinder of diameter 15 meter and height 24 meter, 2.4 meter, surmounted by a cone of height 4 meter. Find the capacity of the tent. And cost of canvas at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square. Now see it, this is the tent. It is in cylindrical shape. This is radius, diameter is 15. So diameter is 15 meter. The radius is 15 upon 2, 7.5 meter. Height is 2.4 meter. Cone of height is 4 meter. Find the capacity of the tent. Capacity of the tent is volume of cylinder plus volume of cone, pi r square h plus 1 upon 3 pi r square h1. Pi is 22 upon 7, radius 7.5 into 7.5, height 2.4. Here 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7, radius 7.5 into 7.5 into 4. So taking it 22.7 into 7.5 into 7.5 common 2.4 plus 1 upon 3 into 4. Remove this decimal. 100, 100, 25 3 ja, 25 4 ja, 3 ja, 4 ja. 22 upon 7, 9 upon 16, 3 is the LCM, 7.2 plus 4. It will be 22 upon 7 into 9 upon 16 into 11.2 upon 3, 3 3 जा, 4 4 जा, 4 2 जा, 4 8 जा, 7 0.4, 4 3 जा 12, 12 2 जा 24, 24 into 26, 26.4 cubic meter is the first answer. Now see the cost of canvas. Curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone is equal to area of canvas required. So it is pi r square h, 2 pi r h plus pi r l. Now find out the value of L. L is R square plus H1 square. R is 7.5 square and H is 4 square. 75 5 to 6 56.25 plus 16 0.25 72.5 25. Take the square root of it. 8 8 is 64. 8 25 816.5, that is equal to 8.5 meter. So therefore area of canvas 2 pi RH, 2 into 22 upon 7, radius is 7.5, height is 2.4 plus 22 upon 7, R is 7.5, L is 8.5. Now take the common of it, 22 upon 7 into 7.5. So here will be 2 into 2.4 plus 8.5. Remove this decimal, put the 100, 25 3 ja, 25 4 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 11 ja, 33 upon 14, 4.8 plus 8.5, 33 upon 14 into 13, 13.3, 7 2 ja, 7 1 ja, 6 7 9 ja, 19 3 ja 57, 57 and 5 62.5 upon 2, that is 31.35 meter square. So cost is rupees 10 per meter square. Therefore total cost is 31.35 into 10 is equal to rupees 313.50. Thank you. Against it, this question, a tent in the form of cylinder and of diameter 15, height 2.4, surmounted by a cone of height 4. Find the capacity of tent, that means volume of air in the tent, and the cost of canvas, that canvas used. So diameter is 15, radius is 7.5, capacity is volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. Pi r square h plus 1/3 pi r square h1. Pi value 22/7, value of r is 7.5 into 7.5, height is 2.4, plus 1/3, 22/7, 7.5 into 7.5 into height is 4. So taking the common, and we will see that here 2.4 left it, here 4 into 1/3 left it. So take the LCM of it, it becomes 7.2 plus 4, here 25 3s are 25 4s are 25 3s are 25 4s are. It becomes 11.2, 7, 3, 3s are 3 cancel it, and 4 4s are 4 2s are 4 8s are 7 4s are. Multiplied it, we get this one. In the same way, we find the cost of canvas, 2 pi rh plus pi rl. We will find first L by r square plus h1 square, we will get it 8.5. Now putting the values in this formula and we calculate it, we find 31.35. Cost is 10 rupees per meter square, so total cost is 31.35 into 10, that is 313.50.